Welcome everyone. I hope all you brilliant learners are ready to complete the alphabet scavenger hunt. The standard you will be meeting today is, I can identify all upper and lowercase letters. Let's go ahead and cover a few examples. The letter A. At my house, I found the letter A on a board game, as you can see here, a coffee drink, and a book. Now, the letter B. I found the letter B on a brownie box, a movie case, and a chapstick. You should try and find all 26 letters, but remember we are covering upper and lowercase. Now, are you up for a challenge? Let's try and find your sight words. Here I have provided a list of all of the words that we have covered so far in the year. You can go ahead and share this list with your parent or your guardians so they know what we have covered and what we haven't. The first word we are going to find is about. I found it on a Valentine that says, "I'm nuts about you." I also found it on a nutrition panel and in a book. Our next word is the. It was seen on a movie, The Incredibles, a poster that says, "See the good in all things," and even a sticker on my computer. I hope you all enjoyed our review activity and are able to find all letters, upper and lowercase, and even challenge yourself with sight words. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys.